If you've ever wanted a text to flow from one box to another in Microsoft Word, this tutorial is going to make that process super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to link text boxes in Word so you can create cleaner layouts, better newsletters, more polished documents, and a much more professional reading experience. This is especially useful when you're working with flyers, reports, magazines, or any document where text needs to continue neatly across separate boxes. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Word tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Word document and make sure you already have at least 2 text boxes on the page. If you don't, you can insert them from the Insert tab by choosing Text Box and placing them where you want. For this tutorial, what matters most is that you have a first text box with text inside it and a second empty text box ready to receive the overflow. Now click the first text box so it becomes selected. When it's selected, look at the top ribbon and switch to the Shape Format tab. Depending on your version of Word, this may also appear as Drawing Tools format, but the process is the same. In that tab, find the Create Link option and click it. This tells Word that you want to connect the selected text box to another one so the text can continue flowing. After clicking Create Link, your cursor will change. Now go to the empty target text box you want to link to and click inside it. Make sure this second box is unlinked and ready to receive text. Once you click it, Word will connect the 2 boxes together, and any extra text from the first box will flow into the second one. If you don't see the text moving right away, don't worry. Sometimes the link only becomes obvious once the first box has more text than it can display. Try typing or pasting more content into the first box, and you should see the overflow continue into the linked box automatically. That's the whole point of linking text boxes in Word. It lets your content flow naturally instead of being trapped inside one box. This is really helpful when you want your layout to look organized without manually cutting and pasting text between boxes. It also saves time if you later edit the first box because the linked boxes update as the content changes. So if you add a paragraph, remove a sentence, or revise your wording, Word can keep the flow connected for you. If you ever need to check whether the boxes are linked correctly, click back on the first text box and look for the link indicator, or continue editing the text. If the flow is working, Word will move the overflow into the next box automatically. And if something isn't working, just make sure the target box is empty and unlinked before you try creating the connection again. One quick tip: linked text boxes work best when you plan your layout first. Decide where the text should start and where it should continue, then link them in order. That way, your document stays easy to edit and much easier to read. This is a great trick for anyone making newsletters, brochures, class handouts, or business documents in Word. And that's it. You've now learned how to link text boxes in Word. It's a simple feature, but once you know how to use it, it can completely improve the way you build documents. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.